So let us see about the muscles of gluteal region, their origin, their insertion, the nerve supply, action, and the special remarks about them. Okay. So let us see the muscles like gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, gluteus minimus, piriformis, obturator internus, superior gemellus, inferior gemellus, and the quadratus femoris. Okay. So gluteus maximus, they get origin, okay, from the line of ilium and area above and behind it, outer sloping surface of dorsal segment of iliac crest, sacrum, coccyx, and sarcotuberous ligament. From the ilium, from the iliac crest, from the sacrum, coccyx, and sarcotuberous ligament. They get inserted at the iliotibial tract. Onto the gluteal tuberosity is lesser. Only iliotibial tract is more. So you remember iliotibial tract. If both are given, you have to choose both. Nerve supplies of the gluteus maximus is the inferior gluteal nerve. The action is it is extension of the hip joint and laterally rotates the thigh via the iliotibial tract. The special remark for this is intramuscular injections are given in this muscle in the upper and outer quadrant. So gluteus maximus get origin from the sacrum, coccyx, iliac crest, ilium, sarcotuberous ligament. It inserted at the iliotibial tract and then the gluteal tuberosity. The nerve supplies the inferior gluteal nerve. The action of gluteus maximus is the lateral rotator, okay, of the thigh and also the extension of the hip joint takes place. Special characteristic of gluteus maximus is the intramuscular injection which is given on to them. Okay, the upper and the outer quadrant. Next is the gluteus medius. The gluteus medius origin is ilium between the posterior and anterior gluteal line. Between the anterior gluteal line and the posterior gluteal line and below the iliac crest. This is also iliac crest only, but below the iliac crest between the anterior and the posterior gluteal lines. It inserts into the lateral surface of the greater trochanter femur. This is what asked here. It's piriform. Okay. So medius get inserted into the lateral surface of the greater trochanter. We have both a greater and lesser trochanter, but in the lateral surface it get attached. Superior gluteal nerve and the medius is abducting and medially rotating the thigh, abductor. Okay, and medial rotator, whereas the maximus is the lateral rotator. And the gluteus medius and the minimus is supporting side prevent the pelvis of unsupported side, and this is paralysis of this leads to the lurching gait and Trendelenburg sign. Okay. If we take gluteus minimus, it's from the you have seen anterior and the posterior gluteal lines, but here in the ilium anterior and inferior gluteal lines. So posterior and inferior. The lateral surface you get here. Here you get anterior surface of the greater trochanter. They get inserted. Just compare the medius and minimus. Same nerve, same action they do. Okay. Special characteristics also is very same to them. But anterior and posterior gluteal lines of ilium, anterior and inferior gluteal lines of ilium. Lateral surface for greater trochanter, this is an anterior surface of the greater trochanter. Okay. Then we have the piriformis. Piriformis is a pelvic surface of the sacrum. Okay. Gluteal surface of the ilium. Sacrum, if you take, we have the pelvic surface, whereas in the gluteal surface of the ilium, you can see them. Okay, that is what about the piriformis. Whereas they get inserted into the upper border of the greater trochanter. From the sacrum and ilium, insertion into the greater trochanter. Okay, and the nerve to the piriformis. This is the lateral rotator, as like gluteus maximus is the lateral rotators of thigh, and the abductor flexor thigh. Okay, abductor like this. Okay, and the piriformis divides into greater sciatic foramen into two parts. One is lesser and the lesser sciatic and greater sciatic. They divide the greater sciatic foramen into two parts. Okay, then you have obturator internus. This obturator internus is present. Okay, in the internal surface of the obturator membrane, margin of the obturator foramen. Okay, and they insert the medial surface of greater trochanter. This is upper border. This is the middle border. Okay. and node operator internus, same action is done. The muscle covered by operator fascia forms the lateral wall of pelvis and ischio-rectal fossa. This is not needed. You remember that it is piriformis from the sacrum and ilium, operator internus with the operator membrane and the operator foramen margin. Okay, in the upper surface of greater trochanter piriformis, in the middle surface of the greater trochanter, you have the operator internus. Gamma superior is dorsal surface of the ischial spine. Okay, in ischial spine, you have the gamma superior. Okay, whereas in the ischial tuberosity, there is the inferior gamellus. Okay, the outer aspect of the ischial tuberosity is quadratus femoris. Superior is in the ischial spine, then you get the ischial tuberosity. Okay, then the gamma superior it blends with the operator internus tendon, whereas gamma inferior it also blends with the operator internus. Okay, and quadratus femoris. This is blending with quadratus femoris inferior. So quadratus femoris is present on the quadrate tubercle, which is on the intertrochanteric crest of the femur. So now to the operator internus, now to the operator internus, now to the quadratus femoris, and now to the quadratus femoris. All are the lateral rotators of the thigh. So mostly in the gluteal region, everything is lateral rotator except the medius and the minimus, which are the medial rotators of the thigh. So you should know the regions where they are inserted. Okay, ileal tubular tract is in the lateral surface of the greater trochanter. It is on the anterior surface of the greater trochanter. Piriform is in the upper border of the greater trochanter. This is the middle border. Lateral, anterior, upper, and the middle border. So with which they fuses. Is very important. What is the nerve supply? From where they get originated. This is originated from the iliac crest, ilium, and the sacrum and coccyx. Medius from the anterior and the posterior luteal, anterior and inferior luteal. So sacrum and ilium. Operator internus is from the ischial. So operator foramen there. This is ischial spine, ischial tuberosity is also an ischial tuberosity. Okay. With what they blend is also important. Nerve supply, you know, with their names that nerve supply come. Everything is lateral rotator except the medius and the minimus, which are the medial rotators of the thigh region. It comes to the ends of the gluteal region muscle.